The people who claim to defend the nation state in Europe are actually its biggest enemies. We have to reclaim our flags from them. Of course, the number one claim of the anti-EU populists is that the union costs you money, that it controls everything and is worth nothing to ordinary people. All too often, anti-EU rhetoric has involved no cost for them. They can happily be anti-EU while ignoring the reality of all that it gives to them and their countries. Part of this is because we've all allowed ourselves to get sucked into focusing not just on the EU budget and fights over new policies. We've forgotten to talk about the much bigger impact of the Union and exactly what it means in hard facts for people from every walk of life. And this is why the lies of the Leave campaign worked in the Brexit referendum. And it is why so many anti-EU parties are trying to copy the English anti-EU ideologues.